Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Happy Prepper, and with more traveling opening up and more people going on planes, there's not really, I guess you could call it a problem that a lot of people face while they're traveling, especially more on planes. It's what survival items to bring. So for today's video, I made a survival kit that is TSA safe, and it has some basic survival items that you could carry onto a plane. And what's the purpose of this? Like, you could also combine it with your EDC when you're traveling. And also if a disaster happens, or if you miss a flight, or really anything. And also, I didn't put anything that could get you through extra security. So I didn't put water or any of that stuff, because I read, I did a lot of research about all the TSA guidelines, and I think in some cases you can bring water on, but you have to go through all these security checks. So if you do want to put water, if you want to make your own airplane kit, and if you want to put water, go ahead, but just research all the guidelines. But I didn't, so let's just get right into the kit. Okay, so this is the survival kit. So it's in a I guess you could call it desert, I think desert tan bag. It's a really nice bag. You can also put it on a bigger bag with these connectors. There's also a lot of, I think, Mylar. But let's just get right into it. So first off, there's a plastic carabiner, and on that carabiner we have a paracord lanyard. In a survival emergency, you could always cut this and use this as cordage. We also have a Princeton Tech flashlight, really cool flashlight, small business, and really nice flashlights. Can't see it because it's light outside, I just realized. But then we have a CPR mask. These are really important. I know some CPR. I'm gonna try to learn more and eventually get CPR certified, but still, always a good idea to carry one and know basic CPR. So let's just get right into the actual bag. Top, we have a small little small first aid kit. We have alcohol prep pads, small bandages, gauze, stuff like that, a bunch of different size bandages. First aid kits should always be at the top of your survival kit so you can access them easy, just in case there's an emergency. So let's dig deeper. So we have a SOL whistle, and it's very small and very effective and really good. And if you're stranded, you could use this, and whistle is always a good idea to have. So then we have right in this pocket a couple things. If I can get it out. Also take. Okay. So we have a Write in the Rain notebook. These are really good. I don't have a Write in the Rain pen. I want to get one, but still, pencil and notebook is really good. So if you witness if you're in a first aid situation, you have to take notes, maybe the 911's on the way, notepad and pencil are really good, so they can know what you did to the victim. Okay, then in that compartment too, right there, we have, I really think this is really cool. If I can get it out. Okay, so this is a pocket guide outdoor survival. I really like this book because it shows simple stuff: navigation, lost, how to signal, food, fire, all that stuff. And it has those little bookmarks, so it's very easy to access. I have one on first aid in my first aid kit, my more advanced first aid kit, but these are really good, and they're really good stuff in here, because even if you know a lot of stuff about survival, it's always good to have referencing, because if you're tired or hungry or scared, you may forget some of this stuff. So it's always good to have reference stuff. Okay, so I have zip ties. I talked about zip ties in another video. They're really good, and really good for shelter building, and they just have so many uses. So zip ties. Okay, so next, so much stuff. Next, we have water purification tablets. I also put the manual in here because it shows ingredient, and it also shows if you get in your eyes, so I think it's really important. There's 2 water purification tablets. These are really important, especially in a survival situation. I wanted to put a Sawyer or water filter in here, but I couldn't fit it, so this is the best thing. And like, if you do have the room in your survival kit, I would really say put multiple ways to purify water, because water is very important. Okay, so with the water purification tablets, we have a water bag. So if you unfold this, you can put water in it. So it's basically like a Ziploc bag, but very, very useful. It's much more secure and much more durable. So there's also a seal, so really cool and really useful in water purification. Especially, these are really good if you have a small survival kit like this one, and you can't fit like a metal cup or like a cup, or if you're going on like traveling. Okay, so next we have a Shmog. These are really good for water purification, protecting yourself from the sun. They really have so many uses. I made a video about uses for bandanas, so go check it out in the corner above. So, okay, so then we have a bunch of stuff in this compartment. So we have a roll of duct tape. Duct tape is always really good. A lot of uses for shelter building. There's just so many duct tape uses, and it's really good to have it. So yeah, that should be in everybody's survival kit. Okay, so this is really cool. This is where you could shine your flashlight on it. It's sunny outside, so I can't do it now, but you can shine your flashlight on it and it glows up. It's like a, those glow sticks, but this one's reusable, so that's really cool if you need extra light. It's really, that one, this thing, I tried it out before. It works really good and it's pretty awesome. Okay, so next we have an emergency blanket. This is really important, and this reflects your heat. So if you're in a really cold environment, this can really save you. It's pretty easy to set up. You just unfold it, and really useful. Okay, last we have, I didn't really coil it that well, but we have a giant thing of paracord. Paracord's always really good, really strong, shelter building, tying knots, rescuing people. Paracord has so many uses, and it's just really good. Okay, that's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Share our videos so we can grow. Go follow us on Instagram, and Happy Prepper out.